Hi everyone, this topic is all about NFA to DFE using Thomson's and subset constructions. This is our topic about NFA to DFA. This is topic about Thomson's constructions. Here we have three operations on regular expressions. We have three operations on regular expressions. Star operation, and concatenations, and OR operation or operations. For each operations, we have defined rules to build NFA with epsilon more. And this the construction for A asterisk or A for A final. Thomson's constructions for A final or asterisk. And this is the example. Q0 move to Q1 and move to Q2 and then put to Q3 and then Q2 is moved to Q1. This is epsilon, this is epsilon, and this is A, and epsilon another, and then Q0 is moved to Q3, then this is epsilon.